Good afternoon, Tommy from Tommy's Tanks. Well, she's emptied, the fish are put away, and the tank has been repaired. Obviously, you guys knew that from yesterday's video, but so you can see, this is the next one. Got to empty it all out, rescape it, and then move it back. We're going to be moving it back probably 3 feet. And then you can see how we designed it. Now, I'm going to show you my design for the bottom. Like that's, I used the 2x6s and I brought them across right underneath. So, and I had panels against it. Panels aren't, I didn't want panels again. Right, so I'll show you what I've done and see what you think. So anyways, this is the new tank. This is the one that blew open on us. Remember from the bottom, it was flooding out. So part of it's dirty, the glass from working. Anyways, these are the fish here. Remember they were out in the holding tank ones. So they're all back, and we wanted to sort of make it look like one. Once we're finished, it will look like one. Okay. Now I will show you the new stand and what you think of my cover. Now I haven't stained it and I haven't painted it, so I don't know exactly what I'm doing. So this is it here. I matched it right from, remember the floor is crooked, so one end's 38 inches, this is 41 inches for the dip of the concrete. So this is what me and Rick made. Greenhead. And so if you ever need any carpentry work done, plumbing, anything else, I'll give him a plug. Right? He's a good man. He's one that came up with this design. Very simple. And I haven't decided what color I'm going to stain it. Maybe I'll paint it black again. I don't know. Maybe you guys can give me some input what you'd like. Here's what the room looks like. It's all dark brown brick, right? With the black shears. Then we have this, right? Which is black, pardon this. And then we have this, which I haven't painted yet. And I haven't put magnets on the doors yet. But we just finished this now, and he's going to go home and play with his dogs. He's got great dogs. So I brought it up past the lip, if you noticed. So I passed the lip because I didn't want to see it. And if I got to take the, which is nice about this panel, if I got to take it out, it's only 9 screws, and she comes out. Right, the whole panel will come right out. So if I have a problem with the tank and I got to move it, very simple to take apart. So I thought so. So give me a thought what you think we should do with the bottom. Right now it's birch, right? Just the color of the plywood. It's 3/4 inch plywood, and as you can see, everything's inside lips. So that's what we did this side compared to that side with the panels. And I'll show you what the panels would look like when they're on. I know you've already seen it before, but so there. That was the panels before. And you gotta lift the panels out, and I had to make a hook for them and stuff like that. I did it just quickly for my other tanks, right? Or this. I think this looks more modern with the stainless steel handles and stuff like that. So again, thank you very much. Let me know what you think I should paint it. Right? I'm thinking black, but we'll see what you guys think. I think black would go good. Mind you, this is black. So I might give it contrast once we move this thing back about 3 feet. Thank you for watching. If you live in Toronto, Markham area, Rick Greenhead, great carpenter, give him a call. He's free. Bye for now.